Out of 50, our next question is ideal independent voltage source. So already I said in previous topic, question number 14. Okay, so ideal means it is a theoretical ideology. It means the source voltage equal to a load voltage. Otherwise, source current is equal to a load current. Okay, so this is the basically theoretical ideology, but practically it's a impossible condition. Okay, so because an ideal independent voltage source is an active element that gives a constant voltage across its terminals irrespective of current drawn through its terminals. So what is theoretically, whatever the source voltage we are providing, that source voltage is completely linear relation with the load voltage. It's mean according to theoretical, whatever the source voltage we are giving at source end, the same voltage arrived at load end. That is the actual theoretical calculation, and VI characteristics and a linear relationship between the source voltage and load voltage.